Colorado Trailers, wanted to show you guys another off-road trailer we just got on the ground. Super excited to have this 6x12 back in stock. This one's a 2019, again, 6x12 off-road trailer in the bronze blackout package. And this one, as you guys can see, does have your diamond plate rock guard along the bottom. You've got the nice big diamond plate wrapped corners as well. Generator platform on the front, extended triple tube tongue side swivel jack, and a removable front coupler. This one in particular, stock number 15017. Side door does have a window in it, plus the RV lock cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there. And then this one also is equipped with power, so you do have the exterior GFI outlet, which is that box right there. 3,500 pound torsion axle. You also have a brake on here, 32-inch mud terrain tire, black aluminum American racing wheel, and a black diamond plate fender. Then you've got two more windows in the back. These are 18 by 44 windows. We'll take a peek at that more in a second. And then you also have the recessed party light off the side. This is going to give you guys some great exterior light here off the side of your trailer. All aluminum roof rack with ladder right there, so you guys have some exterior storage. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does have spring assist close on it, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door. You've got the really cool black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb as well. Ties everything in nicely together. Two LED load light spotlights here off the back. These are really bright lights. They're awesome for being able to load and unload at night. Plus you've got the rear deck option on this as well, so you guys can make this be parallel and use it as a deck. Insulated walls, insulated ceiling. We also have the aluminum wall and ceiling liner. There's a better shot of those two 18 by 44 slider windows. They do have screens in them. You can lock them. They're also tinted. 6'6" interior height in this unit as well. Performance Nudo floor with Drymax, which is this awesome product. You've got this great performing product on top, which is the black surface that you guys see underneath, is a product called Drymax that doesn't absorb the water or moisture, and that's also on the underneath side of your trailer, so great for longevity purposes. We also have 4 LED interior puck lights. It looks like 2 on each side, and then you also have 2 overhead 4-foot LED lights as well. Now for lighting options in here, this trailer is set up very well because it's got the battery with the battery box and battery charger, which is this right here. This is going to run all those exterior lights that we just saw, as well as these nice little pucks. And then you also have 30 amp service right here with 4 interior outlets at 1 exterior GFI outlet. You take this cord, pop it through the floor, go into your generator, your extension cord, whatever. That's going to power up these 4-foot LEDs for you, all of your outlets, and then your AC unit with a heat strip. This is a Coleman Mach 8 unit. It's a great unit. They're very efficient. We've had very good luck with them. Now this one also has a Maxx Air roof vent across the top, has a bubble cover over it so it won't leak water in if you guys forget to close that. And this one also has, which is cool, the exposed conduit. Now this is kind of a nice option if you guys are planning on doing a build or building this trailer out, because it allows you to be able to tie into all this really easily. You don't have to tear down the walls to access all the wiring. So nice feature and option there. Like I said, if you guys are going to use this as your multi-purpose hauler / camper and do your own thing with it. So here it is. We've got an awesome price on this unit at $12,977 plus tax, and we do ship. If you guys don't live near us, no worries, give us a call. We've got an awesome shipper that will run all over the country for us for very reasonable rates. So give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote as well. 303-688-8485, or we're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com.